Hello, welcome to the Center Code training video talking about moderating your forums. And in this video we're going to cover the who and how of moderation. So in this video you'll learn where to find and adjust who can moderate your user forums, and we'll also talk about what moderator functionality is available to your user forums within Connect. So in the Nighthawk project story, this is part of your management steps. This is part of an ongoing project. So after you've launched and you've got some feedback and you've got your forums rolling and all of that, this video is going to demonstrate some of the functionality you have at your fingertips. So regarding forum moderation, each forum has its own set of roles and access rights, and each one of those roles and access rights is dictated by a simple checkbox, just like your role access would be for any other resource. Moderator functionality is displayed for each applicable post, so setting a post as a sticky or removing a particular post, changing the text in a post, etc., all that is available from within the forum itself. So with that, let's go ahead and start off in the Nighthawk beta homepage, and from here you can access user forums directly in the left-hand menu. But first off, we're going to take a look at project tools and take a look at the roles associated with your user forums. So for the general beta topics, for example, clicking on the modify there allows you to see who has moderator functionality here. In this case, you can see that only 2 groups have moderate functionality, although multiple more have the mark moderator functionality. So in this case, quality assurance is marked as a moderator, but they don't actually have moderator functionality. The general support team and your project managers, on the other hand, do have full moderator functionality. As I'm currently logged into a project manager, we'll be able to see this in action. So accessing your user forums in the left-hand menu, we're actually going to take a look at the general beta topics forum. So from here you can see all the current posts that satisfy a particular filter. In this case, I'm seeing all topics with moderator posts made anytime. So in this case, I want all statuses made anytime, and I'm going to go ahead and see all of the posts within this particular forum. So to start up, I've got a wrapping up post here that I'm going to take a look at right on the top. And you can see the moderator functionality there on the bottom of that first post. I can choose to modify, remove, I can set this post as a sticky, and that option is only represented in the first post of a forum thread. I can provide a direct link to this particular post, and you can do that for any post within the thread. So Mike's post here down along the bottom, I can have it directly linked to that post instead, and actually have functionality to move a thread to a different forum. So in this case, if this doesn't really belong in the general beta topics, I can choose to move that thread, choose the receiving forum, and I can actually create a move reference topic, which shows the original thread in the original forum and basically says that that particular thread was moved. When the user clicks on that thread, they're redirected to the new thread within that new forum. So taking a look at all the threads within this particular forum, if I wanted to, for instance, create a sticky, maybe some forum etiquette or a use case thread, basically giving them the terms of use and things like that, give them tips and tricks for posting good forum feedback and good discussions, I can create a new topic. And once I have created this topic, then I'll actually take a look at that particular thread I just made and choose to sticky that particular thread. Now in this case, because I'm moderator, I can actually modify this particular post, I can remove the post, I can provide a direct link which I could then give off to other users and have them be referred directly to this particular post, and I can move the thread to a new forum. In this case, I want to sticky the thread, so I'm going to go ahead and click that item there, and then jumping back to that particular forum where we were just at, you can see that this thread is now a sticky. It's stuck to the top, and new threads will not move this particular thread off the front page. So in this video, we covered finding and adjusting who can moderate your user forums, taking a look at those particular forum roles. We also talked about moderator functionality that's available to you, basically the standard forum moderation functionality. So of course, we have more videos coming up pertaining to other maintenance topics within your project, so stay tuned.